This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Lisa Jones. Location and convenience: 4 bedrooms / 2.5 bath and all Hardin Valley Schools. Nice open floor plan. On the main level you will find a formal dining area, open kitchen to living room including a kitchen breakfast area, granite counters, travertine stone backsplash, stainless steel appliances and a stone fireplace in the living room. All 4 bedrooms up. Spacious master suite and master bath west / dual sinks, walk-in shower and a garden tub. Relax under the backyard covered patio overlooking the gunite saltwater pool, approximately 5 feet deep, complete with a privacy fence. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Jones at 865-966-1111.